With the magnet on the sensor, the arming sequence is you turn the key counterclockwise, 2 red flashes, the green light is on for 15 seconds. At the end of that time delay, the unit will chirp 3 times. We have a feature used in the product that allows to change it from the 3 chirps to silent arming. Turn the device off, unplug the battery, remove the switch guard while holding both switches down, reapply the battery. The 2 chirps indicates it took it from chirping on arming to silent arming. Now the sequence is when we turn it on, we get 2 red flashes, the green light is on. After the 15-second delay, it will no longer chirp 3 times. It will flash red 3 times.